You know, when they say post-study visa option, for example, the Netherlands gives a 1-year post-study visa option. Now, where I want you to tell the difference now in Netherlands, for example, Netherlands and Germany that I can tell of, even Finland does this. When they give you a post-study visa, they actually give you a chance to stay back to look for a job. When you find a job, underline this part, when you find a job, you're allowed to stay back permanently. Now, the trick is, a lot of other European countries will say they're giving you a post-study visa, for example, for 2 years. But now, you have to depend on your employer filing for you. And you have to have a minimum requirement. That's where the trick is. So when someone tells you post-study visa, you have to listen and know the immigration rules, because they can be very tricky with this. Everybody just says post-study visa, they rush. You have to go to a country that your post-study visa is not dependent on the employer, or even though it's dependent, it is easily done. It's not like they'll now start telling you that, oh, an European has to be employed before you're employed. You have to check the laws and you have to know. Because when they say post-study visa, everybody just jumps at it. For example, someone like Germany now, you graduate from school, you find a job, your Vertrag, the employment contract is just enough. You go to the foreigner's office. Now, they will say in a related field. A related field is wide. For example, if you studied health and management, do you know that it's possible that you can get a job just in management, not even in health? And they can even look at your background again. It's possible that you can get a job that, regardless you studied that in that country, you can study back at home. I've had people that study finance back home, they studied something in management, then they got something in management and finance together. So this is why I said investing in proper country is very important. There are many rules to this. I would always be able to tell, just ask me. AOC or nothing.